Today I'm going to show you how to factory reset your J56, Samsung J56. First, power button, home button, and volume up. Press all three at the same time. When the phone comes on, release the power button, continue holding the home button and the volume up. When you see this picture, just release all buttons. When this picture comes up, just give it 10 seconds. Then it will give you the option to factory reset the phone. Sometimes on different phones it takes longer than 10 seconds. But as you can see, I did not touch any other button. It would just come up automatically. Scroll down to wipe data factory reset. To select, press the power button. Again, scroll down to yes to confirm. Power button to select. When it comes up, then reboot your device. J56. And this is how you factory reset it. When it comes back on, it will be at factory settings. Now, if you did not remove your Samsung or Gmail account, make sure you remember that. Once you come back and log in, it will let you pass the activation screen. Thank you very much for watching. Please like and subscribe.